Hello, Juan. How are you today? Can you please tell us your full name and also where do you work?
Hello, my name is Juan Martinez Blanc, and I am working as a genomic department manager in a multinational company called ADM. Uh, I am working in the location of Valencia, where is located the facility of health and wellness area in the research and development field. And also, I am an assistant professor at the University of Valencia in the Department of Public Health.
Very good. And can you tell us what is your academic background?
Well, I started studying biology. I am a biologist, and I specialize in microbiology, and I did also the PhD in molecular biology. In 2019, I started to work in the private company, ADM, and I started to work and learn things about genomic and next generation sequencing techniques.
Okay. So how did you get your present job? What was the steps to get your present job?
Well, the thing is, in the company, we are doing more of the size, the clinical size regarding to microbial gut analysis and evaluation of several ingredients. So during all this time, we apply different kind of sequencing methodologies, and in this moment, we are doing most the microbiome gut analysis. And so we receive samples, fecal samples, we process the samples, perform the library, we perform the sequencing, and in this moment, in majority in the Illumina platform. And then we start with the quality control, that is very important for the posterior, the after analysis, and also the bioinformatics of interpretation of the data. Also, the second interesting thing that we do is to perform an identification or evaluation of purity of the ingredients, bacteria ingredients, probiotics that we can produce in the facility of Valencia, Biopolis. In very beginning of this field, the European Commission asked for a specific and very accurate identification of the bacteria in order to avoid virulence factors, resistance to antibiotics, and so on. And the analysis of the genome of this kind of probiotics was required.
Very good.
The more important thing is to have an open mind and stay every time learning things. You can see that in the papers, in the journal, every very short time of period of time, you can find new methodologies, new validation of methodologies, and new approach of solve this kind of problem that we use the NGS technologies.
Very good. So, would you encourage people to follow this pathway? Because as I understand, there is a lot of opportunities for jobs in this field. So I just wonder if you have a young person that would like to follow this pathway, would you say yes? Would you say that is a good option for job opportunities?
Yes, of course. The thing is, when I started, maybe 10 years ago, the technology of sequencing technology was starting. But right now, there are a lot of machines that can produce lots and lots of sequencing. We need more and more people that manage this kind of sequence and this kind of technology in order to solve questions, biological questions, and find new areas of research in using this new generation technology. Definitely, I think it's the future because the cost of sequencing is lower. Each time more lower, and the technology of sequencing is higher. So I think it's the appropriate way of looking biologists from the point of view of a wide vision or a global vision, looking for new things that can change the life of the people, also in food.
Excellent. So thank you very much because I think it's very useful. I gather the idea that this is a very important tool now and in the future as well, and it's gonna allow us to go in depth with the problem solving problems. So thank you very much, Juan, and it's been a great pleasure to have your testimony. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. It's a pleasure for me also. Thanks to the Lego project. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.